Hey, guess what, man? My favorite nurse administrator here in Kona. Hey, who's the best cook?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka. Hey, guess what, man? This guy here, he work in the restaurant, man. This guy is awesome, man. He buy donut every day, right?
Donuts.
And donut man, he want me. So, hey, who's the best and fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Oh yeah, big shaka man in a pan. Awesome. Hey, here's my friend Linel. Huh?
Hi!
Magandang lapintas.
Napintas. Napintas. Nagwapo.
Ah! Why, salamat.
Salamat po.
Welcome to the Man and the Pan. You know, I really love to eat pancit. And you know, it's so humbug. But then I found out this special thing called Mama Sita Pancit Bihon. And it has a kit with a noodle and a sauce all inside. The thing you do, take out the noodle, hot water inside a bowl, just like this, yeah. The good thing about this kind of noodle, you don't need to boil them. You just put them in here, and you let them sit. Okay? This is the bihon noodle. This is like rice noodle. They call them bihon. So they call this pancit bihon. First, I chop out 1/8 cup of garlic. Then I slice about half of a round onions. Then slice about 3/4 of a pound of boneless chicken. I have my pan, right? It's a little bit oil inside over here, right? Put them on medium heat. First thing I do is I'm gonna fry the chicken. Now you can use chicken, you can use pork, you can use shrimp, you know. And if you use shrimp or stuff like that, you don't have to cook it really early. Then I got 2 cups water, just like this. Then I add in this Mama Sita mix to the 2-cup water. I mean, that's simple. And in this mix, you get all these great ingredients in there. So the Mama Sita mix, you get everything in there. So just keep on stirring them like that. Just mix it up. So the Mama Sita with the water there. Frying the chicken. Yeah, once the chicken is kind of cooked, you dump in the garlic. Then I dump in chopped down onions, yeah. Just when the garlic and onions is kind of like sweating a little. You remember this, right? I added a package of Mama Sita mix and 2 cups of water. Then I dump it in, okay? Then I leave it there and let it wait till it boils. Okay, while it's boiling, you remember this, and put in the bihon noodle, the rice noodle? Okay, I'm gonna drain it off, okay? Take all the hot water. Then I'm gonna add in vegetables. So you can put in pancit vegetables, you can put type of vegetables, but I got these frozen chow mein stir-fried vegetables. I'm gonna add this in. When it starts to boil, all you do is add in your vegetables. Yeah, if you had cabbage, that would be like perfect. And I throw in the rice noodle, the bihon. Okay? Mix it all up. And the noodle's gonna go and soak up all of the juices. Okay, I think it's just about done. Okay, pancit noodles. Okay, the burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. To all my friends out there, mahat ko kayong lahat. We'll see you next week on The Man and the Pan. Mabuhay and salamat. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Oh, naimas.